Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney girl, and we've got some unboxing to do. Yes, it is that time again. The first thing that we have to unbox, and I'm going to do two separate videos, the Fab Fit Fun box. And yes, you can see, unfortunately, I have already opened it. Actually, my mom already opened it. I didn't take too much of a glance at it just because she opened it and I was a little busy. But let's take a look at what's in the Fab Fit Fun Summer box. If you didn't know, the Fab Fit Fun you get quarterly. So there is a spring, a summer, a fall, and a winter box. So get all this stuff out of the way. It does come with the little magazine here. And not only does the magazine tell you what's in the box or like what you could have gotten from the box, there are some really cute articles in here as well. But let's get into what's in the box. I did not pick anything that was in this box. My mom did it all on her own. So yeah, let's see what we got. So first things first, we have a ice mold with the pineapples, which is really super cute. Very summer. It's silicone. So it's going to be really great to pop the ice cubes out. I actually, with this, will sometimes do like herbs and olive oil. You can actually do ice molds with, so you can like then cook later. You can also do like ice, but like you can put like mint or in the water and make it like a little mint ice cube or fruit or something like that. So that's actually really fun. Next we have and I probably, as you guys know, will mispronounce stuff, the OI. This is a detox shampoo. And my mom actually did already mention this because actually these come together. So you've got a scalp massager and a detox shampoo. It's sealed, but let's take the seal off because I just want to know what it smells like. Ooh, it smells very nice. Little floral, which is always good. And then the massager is one of those, which I know are getting like super popular to get and use for your hair. But I think my mom was definitely interested in that, but I might be able to sneak and try that myself. Next we have the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. I've actually heard a lot from, I'm probably mispronouncing it, Ciate, C-I-A-T-E. See if you can see on it won't focus on the screen. But what I basically know from them is they did a Miss Piggy cosmetic line. They did a Jessica Rabbit cosmetic line. And they actually just released an Edna Mode one, which was like a really fun, like neon colors. I didn't get any of them just because you've seen from my previous videos, I bought a lot of makeup recently. But Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. I already have makeup on. I've already done the setting spray, but it doesn't hurt anything. So, oh, I mean, very watermelon-y, but that's actually really nice. So I will probably be stealing this from the box. Let's see what else we have. We have Summer Fridays CC Me Serum. So this is a brightening serum. And the packaging, like, it's ceramic. Doesn't really have much of a smell. Try a little bit on my hand. Because obviously I have makeup on, so. Ooh. That it does actually feel, it feels nice. So I definitely will give this a shot. A lot more like Fab from the Fab Fit Fun. A lot more cosmetic beauty kind of stuff. Now we have the Malin and Gotez Vitamin E Face Moisturizer, which of course in the summer is always nice. It is a lightweight one. I usually, especially in the summer, will look for something with SPF. So that's the only thing I don't see is this has one. But when I'm inside, I probably will definitely use that. Or at night before I go to bed. Then we have the Spongele Tea Blossom Body Wash Infused Buffer. So cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. Sounds kind of weird. Like I've heard of them, but I've never tried one. I mean, it smells really good. Tea Blossom. That smells really good. Like it smells like a nice tea, which I like tea. It's a little harder now, so I'm assuming like when I put it in the shower, it'll foam up. I might have to steal that. Let's see what else we got. All right, looks like the last thing that we have is a tray. So finally have a home item. To the market, buy the change you want to see. So I'm assuming this is, this tray was ethically made for you in India. It's got the lemons on it, so very cute, very summery. So have to figure out a use for this, unless my mom already has a use for it. So really nice. I kind of would have liked a little bit more of the other items, but I didn't get a say in what came in this box this quarter. Might have to speak up next time. So let me know what you guys liked out of the box. Have you gotten the Fab Fit Fun box? What did you get? I'm actually going to look everything up. It of course doesn't tell you how much everything is. I want to say the boxes are about $50 a box. But yeah, I'm just looking at everything. So yeah, so she could have picked something from here, and she picked the serum, something from here, and she picked the shampoo, something from here, and she picked the moisturizer, something from here, and we got the watermelon setting spray. And then something from this section, we got the tray. And then here, I guess everybody pretty much, for the most part, was getting the tea, the ice cube tray, but looks like she got this one that had the buffer, and I guess she stole the pedicure file that was in there. So I mean, yeah, I mean, like, it actually is like a really cute box this quarter. When you're sharing the box with somebody, you can pick customizations. It's kind of funny because, you know, people pick different things. I totally would have picked some different things. So let me know what you guys got in your box and what you thought. Because I'm sure you guys probably got some of the stuff that I would have picked. So yeah. All right, guys. So as always, like and subscribe to the videos for more. So this was a summer box, so we now have to wait till fall. And hopefully I will get a say and get some cuter stuff in the next box. So as always, like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, guys. Hakuna Matata.